Hi everyone, and welcome to this introduction to computer programming. I'm excited to share with you some of the basics of what programming is all about. At its core, programming is simply the act of writing instructions for a computer to follow. These instructions are written in a language that the computer can understand, and they tell the computer what to do step by step. Now, there are many different programming languages out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some of the most famous programming languages include 1. Python, a popular language for beginners, known for its simple syntax and versatility. 2. Java, a widely used language for building large-scale applications and enterprise software. 3. JavaScript, the language of the web, used for creating interactive websites and web applications. 4. C#, a language developed by Microsoft, often used for building Windows desktop applications and video games. 5. C++, a powerful language used for system programming, game development, and more. Of course, this is just a small sampling of the many programming languages out there. Each language has its own unique features and applications, and choosing the right one for a particular project can be an important decision. But no matter what language you choose, the basic principles of programming remain the same. You'll need to learn how to write clear, logical instructions that the computer can follow, and you'll need to be able to troubleshoot and debug your code when things go wrong. So if you're interested in learning more about programming, you've come to the right place. In this series of videos, we'll cover the basics of programming in several different languages, and we'll give you the tools you need to start writing your own programs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. In terms of the uses of famous programming languages, here are just a few examples. 1. Python, used in data analysis, scientific computing, web development, and more. 2. Java, used for building enterprise software, Android mobile apps, and more. 3. JavaScript, used for creating interactive websites and web applications. 4. C#, used for building Windows desktop applications, video games, and more. 5. C++, used for system programming, game development, high-performance applications, and more. Of course, the uses of each language can vary depending on the project and the specific needs of the developer. But hopefully, this gives you a sense of some of the many ways that programming languages can be applied in the real world.